Let's try sugarcane
So under the inside of the soup. This is radish cake.
Okay.
And this is
Lumpia.
lumpia.
Wow. We are now in the oldest restaurant in
It's
Manila.
Toho and vegetarian.
Ah, wow. Sasado.
Asado. Asado, fried rice,
And also corn soup.
corn soup, and this is lohan chai. Which is-
Hello guys, today is our last day together because Donna leaving soon this night to back to Jensan. But before we are going to visit Chinatown with our friends Tess and Mary. They will show us beautiful places there in Manila Chinatown. This is guava. Wow. It's already ripe, I can eat.
Yeah, you can. I washed it already.
Oh wow, thank you.
Go and try.
Mm.
I want you to try first, Lami.
I can eat with
Yeah,
skin.
you eat.
Mm.
Lami.
Mm. It's like apple.
Yeah,
Something like
it's
apple.
creamy.
Mm. Very nice. Good time.
Yeah. And the oldest Chinatown in the world. You only have to be careful about your things because today is Saturday. There are a lot of people in Binondo.
But I'm not worried about my bag because when I wear it, no one can.
Because you're very tall.
Because very high. Yes. Let's say Rizal. He was first.
It's a building national.
Hero.
He's a very learned man. He's a doctor. He's a lot of things. But even for his time, even during that time, his family was already rich. So he was able to study abroad, to go abroad.
Okay guys, we're already near Chinatown Arc. And soon we'll go and Tess and Mary will show us the Chinatown.
Banking Corporation, it's a bank way back in Spanish time. So, but they did not destroy the building. So that building, original building stands and is now a cafe. Restaurant. They serve good food. It's called 1919 because it was built in 1919. It's also more than 100 years old. Cafe 1919. Church under.
Beyond the church?
Yes.
Okay.
It's also very old. 400 plus years old church. It's 14. Yeah. 14 something. No, not 14. 16 something. 16 something. Line here during the weekends. Binondo Bites. Binondo Bites. Nakikita niyan, Binondo Bites.
Hindi pa po na-try dyan.
Dumpling. There's a lot. Fried dumpling.
Fried dumpling lang.
Yes. Start. Let's go there while there's still no line.
You want to try the video?
Okay.
This one. You're the best one. This one. Signature.
We have a lot of
I buy one box so you can try.
Bago pa, ano yun? Bago pa.
Smells so good, love.
Sabi sa akin na.
we have even more there.
Sabi sa akin, pinausap niya.
Welcome to Manila Chinatown.
5
Love, come here na.
Sa Binondo Bites. Grabe na eh. Ang hirap na. Dito na, papasok. Lalabas ulit ako kasi pila na.
Wow, so looks so masarap.
We'll share. You don't want it. Let's eat. Andre. Very good. Very good.
Very good. Masarap.
Even better because it's already cooked.
Sarap.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Oh, they have durians.
You ask how much? It's santol.
Yeah, santol, durian. How much durian?
Durian po, sir.
You want to try?
Tikim-tikim. Paano nakatikim? Ano na? Kumakain siya. Kung right na. Anong variety yan?
Puyat po.
Puyat.
Yeah, puyat. Ito naman mo.
Magkano ba kayo tumingin?
2.5 lang, ma'am.
Eh, kung uwi ka na bukas, dapat kainin mo na, ma'am. Wala pa mas maliit para ano, kasi para di yan yung bibit.
Ma'am, quality ito, ma'am. It's 25 na.
Hindi mas yung maliit na yun, mas maliit.
Okay guys, we're going to try durian here in Manila.
Oo.
1 for 315.
Maganda ano yan? Food ano ba yan?
Hirog na po.
Hinog na? Kulat eh. Maganda?
Maganda, ma'am.
Kano yan?
315 lang. Kakain ba kayo, ma'am? Dito?
Oo, kakainin. Kakainin si ate ba yan? Baka, we will eat it here.
Okay.
Ako, sige.
Ayoko ha.
Mas ba yan ano? Yung glove.
Pusag lang.
So yan, maganda ha?
Ganda, ma'am.
Nasa vlog ka.
Okay
Hindi
lang.
maganda, walang bibili tayo.
Sige, sige.
Ay, go, go, go. Diyan ikaw, kumakain ka? Hindi, hindi. Okay, okay lang. Ay,
Tamis.
you think it's good? Does it look good? Does it look good?
Ito yung gamay.
Kamay-kamay lang po. How is it?
Right?
Tastes good?
Yeah, that's very good.
Magkano yun? 300?
15 mo.
315? Ito yung dito po.
Yes, good durian. But I think it's not puyat. Another one. Not puyat.
Chin. Right? Masarap ka? I really get that.
No, it's okay.
Ma'am. Ikaw, ma'am.
Ano?
No, I don't want. Okay.
Masarap yan.
Yes, masarap.
If Mary doesn't eat, you take that after.
Please.
Try.
Okay na ako. Go to Donna. Gusto na pa na. Okay na ako. Kapag gano'n na ako. Kasi wala sa wala sa
delicious durian, but I think it's not puyat, it's another kind of variety.
Not puyat? Hindi yung puyat?
No puyat.
No, not puyat. What's that?
I don't know, another kind.
How did you know that is not
It tastes not like puyat.
But it tastes very good.
It tastes very good, yes, very good.
It's even better than what I ate before.
Ah, yeah.
It has no smell. It has no smell, right?
Yeah,
No smell at all.
Because it's not overripe, it's good, very good ripe.
Just right.
Yeah, that's right. When it's big.
The vegetarian restaurant.
Ah, vegetarian restaurant, yeah.
You want to look inside?
On Gorkin. It's up to you. What is our? How is our plan? Ah, this is Chinese girl. Those rice.
Peanut.
Desserts. Oh wow. This is. It's all vegetarian.
Yes. You can order like that.
Ah.
It consists of one rice and two ulams, or one rice and three ulams. You want to try?
Hey, so how is our?
We're going to eat in
Okay.
the other side.
Yeah. Better it's okay. Sugar cane juice.
Let's buy one each. Let's buy one each.
Yeah.
Pwede ba iba? Sabi garbage. Maraya mo.
You want to get the
Again for you.
Okay, thank you.
Jen.
Let's try sugar cane juice. So sweet. Very sweet.
But I didn't see your face. Yes, malamig.
Let's go to a Chinese delicacy store.
Yeah.
Chicken pie? Chicken pie. Merong ano yan, diba? Tingi? Tatlo? Tatlong piraso? Tatlo. Share daw sila tatlo sa isa. Ay, si Alin. Oo nga pala. O, tigisa kayo. O gusto nyo mag-share para hindi
Share na lang po.
Dalawa nga po. Dalawa lang, dalawang piraso lang. Sarap din yun. Yung chicken pie. This is our tikim-tikim tour, diba?
Ah, yes. Why I Samsung? What is it?
Chicken pie.
Ah, chicken pie.
How is it?
Mm.
Just eat the filling.
Masarap. Dami kayo.
But I like the first earlier. I like the first earlier. It's like they are saying.
Egg pie.
The ice very good. The crust. Sweet.
Smiling face.
Smiling cake. Ah, because smile.
Yeah, because it's smiling.
Smile.
You put it here. Donna, you want to try or?
Later. Also taste love.
You taste it, Donna.
Is it rice? Long? Rice? Rice?
Oh, yeah, rice, yeah.
Rice for?
Rice and flour.
Very good.
I like the
Ah, this is Chinese.
I like this.
this.
Yeah. Ang tawag lang yun?
Charms. Oh, yeah.
Go inside.
They want to go inside love.
You go inside. You go inside.
Ah, some Chinese scenes. Very nice.
Fresh meat siya. Meat is good here.
Yeah.
Better than frozen.
Very fresh.
You go to the Estero restaurant because it's called Estero because this is the canal. And the restaurant is inside the canal.
Okay.
Ito nga nito.
Ah, wow. Bamboo. It's bamboo. Wow, it's like China. Huh? This? Wow.
You don't look at them, there's
Okay.
a way of... All stores, they are closed. This and they put rock sugar.
Ah,
It's good.
okay, we are here in Shanghai Fried Xiaopao.
And then maybe you can try.
Hmm?
You can stand here so you can
Okay.
see how it is cooked inside.
Yeah.
They're cooking it there.
Ito pala tila. Tila. Dalawang balot.
Wow.
And this is for taste test of Donna.
Ah, okay.
Kayo makakit dito. Ito, okay, Andre can eat this.
Ah.
And this is radish cake.
Uh-huh.
And this is fresh lumpia.
Ah, okay.
You can eat this tonight.
Yes, thank you. Good?
Ito, pag lumamig na, but if this goes down, put it in the freezer, then you can bring it home tomorrow. You can bring it home. How's it, Donna?
Very lamig.
Very lamig. It's so under the inside of the soup.
Better to eat this hot.
For you, this is radish cake,
Okay.
and this is
Okay.
fresh lumpia.
Wow. No need to fry.
No need to fry. This is you can pan fry this.
Ah.
Or you can oven toaster.
Ah, okay. Okay, thank you.
without rice. Soup na mayroong bat ganun tayo. Para mamatay.
This is Chinese. Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese name. It's an English
The
name.
same. Okay. What is it?
Pork chop. Pork chop.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's for Andre.
I think.
This is noodle with mustard.
Okay.
American, huh? Borrow your food. I'll get a good mustasa. The soup. The soup.
Wow.
You drink chocolate, right?
Hmm?
You drink chocolate.
I drink, but I'm already full.
Yeah, but you can drink. You can take it
Yeah,
home.
yeah, I drink. Chocolate drink. Wow.
For you.
Thank you so much.
September lang. Ay, mas kasi September 8 ito. May September 9.
Ito 10 lang.
Okay.
Ito lang. Ito 10. Ito ba?
Oh, thank you. What is it?
It's slices of sweet dessert.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Share na kayo ni ano. Pero hindi siya matamis ha. That's savory, not sweet. There's sticky rice inside, then pork, chicken, mushroom.
Oh, okay.
It's called matsang.
Matcha.
Ito simple lang. And Lisa and the kids.
Thank you so much.
Go na.
Oh my God, so cute.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Kita.
May binigay sa inyo ng Diyos yung presensya. Kaya kita ninyo ano agad ginawa natin. Anong sinasabi ko sa inyo sa kanina? Sabihin ko sa katabi mo, masaya ako na nandito. Kasi kanina mapapising, kanina pininiwalaan nila na masaya yung ako.
They have something going on so we can get it.
Kaya kung tinignan mo yung katabi mo, huwag akong tingnan. Tingnan mo din ako, baka hindi ka rin. Baka mamaya may muna nang makita yan. Father naman! Ano ang kailangan mo ang gusto mo na mga alala ka rin? Hindi mo na nasabi, masaya ako, nakasama kita. Oh, is the most important namin. Kasi hindi siya assuming. Nakaliyan siya buhay. Siya yung nagpapaalala sa'yo. Kahit ang pinagdadaanan mo.
The heart of Binondo.
Tuto ka.
The plaza.
Kasi may tinutulong ang Diyos sa bawat pagsubok na kinapangarap natin. Hindi parusa. Hindi. ang Diyos.
Vanessa, huwag ka na magpanggap. Ganun mo.
Okay, yeah. Some more. Okay. A lot of people here. Mango cake. Sada roll. Very nice place. There are also delicatesses here.
Usually that what they're the Binondo bites. Fried dumplings. The fried dumplings.
Binondo bites.
Fried dumplings.
And so many people here.
Masarap yan kaya lang haba na sila. It's yummy but the line is so long.
Yes, a lot of people.
Dito wala dito. Pansin.
We are now in the oldest restaurant in
It's
Manila.
Toho Antigua. The Philippines.
Toho
Antigua.
Antigua.
Pansiteria Antigua. Since 1888.
I like the decorations here. It's like old,
Like old.
original.
Old style. They
Yeah.
renovated this one.
Yeah, I see.
That's it? Lohan Chai. Vegetarian.
Ah, wow. Sasado.
Asado. It's the best seller. This is the Camogon Rebosado, fried rice,
And also
corn
corn soup.
soup, and this is Lohan Chai,
Open side.
which is vegetable dish.
Wow, so
And
nice.
this is vegetarian noodle.
Pancit. Wow. Looks misarap.
That's it. That's it.
Yes. Try corn soup.
How was the taste lang?
Yeah, very delicious. Masarap din.
Yes. Your corn.
Yes. I like it so much.
Also have one egg.
We need to cook it in Russian.
Yeah.
It's easy to cook. Easy to cook corn soup.
How was the corn?
Tastes good.
Corn starch. Remove it from the husk. Relative is saying, meron sa Divisoria, because that's it. Raw chestnut in Divisoria.
How to open?
You crack lang.
Crack.
Or maybe you cut and use your teeth. No, no.
Oo nga,
With
kaya pala
castanelas.
sa sobrang mahal kasi akala ko dito sa Pilipinas to.
No.
Galing ako
Masarap.
China, sabi ko, bakit ang mahal?
How is
Sabi na,
in
hindi ko
English?
kasi
Oh, in
ano,
Filipino. Castanelas.
galing pa kasi-
Castañas.
Castañas.
Castañas is Spanish for
Ah, castañas.
castañas, chestnuts.
I want you to try
Yeah.
that.
Mabango siya.
In the Christmas song,
Chestnuts.
chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Matamis po siya.
Matamis ba?
Mm-mm.
Masarap ba?
Sarap.
Wait lang lang.
Worth it? Worth it maski na mahal.
Mahal nga siya, pero masarap naman.
Okay, yun lang. More. Lami.
Yeah.
Ate ba? Medyo,
It's my first time to
medyo
taste
matigas
it.
daw.
Oo, tigas. Pero akala ko, hindi ko kasi alam.
Matigas.
Natigas
Hindi daw
siya.
ito masisira.